These directions are for formatting your works cited page in MLA style using Google Docs. The works cited list for your paper goes at the end of your paper and starts on a new page. So you want to click before the words works cited, then click Insert Page Break. You generally want your text to be in Times New Roman, 12-point font, and double spaced. Now your title works cited is going to be centered, and the rest of it is going to have a hanging indent. So you'll highlight all your citations and then put your arrow right on the blue triangle, click and drag to the ½ mark. And you'll see both the triangle and the rectangle are moving. Now you're going to grab that rectangle and bring it back to where the gray and the white meet there at the 0 mark. And you'll see you now have a hanging indent. And that's all there is to it.